So here is the last progress for the workshop. So I'm going to show how add subject, monthly report, totally sales report, and delete subject enrollment run in the program. In admin menu, there are sales report option. So here is the coding. So here is the coding for the report. It will show the monthly sales report. Here we see total sales report where it will show all of the paid payment have done by the student. So this is the coding for it. Now I will show the coding for the enrollment student. So this is the coding. Then this is the coding for the add subject enrollment. And this is for the delete subject. I'm going to show how the sales report we run in the program. First, log in admin, since only admin can run the function for the report. Then enter choice 11 to see the monthly sales report. Since the payment done is done only till May, so we just can choose the choice between 2 to 5 February to May. So here I choose May, so it will show the total amount of monthly sale, average amount of monthly sale, and number of sale in May. Then we can choose we want to see the sales report for February till May, so we choose S. Then it will show all the total that had been paid by the student. Now I'm going to show the subject enrollment. Make sure to log in into tutor ID and password, since the function is in the tutor menu. So here I will show search student enrollment, add student subject, and delete student subject. So I choose number 6, so I entered the student ID, so it will show the subject that had been taken by the student. Then I go back to the tutor menu, then I choose 7 to add the subject. So enter the student ID, then enter the subject code that want to be added. As example here I choose S, which is computer science. Can be added since computer science has been student S04 have taken the subject. So I try again to enter the subject code. Here I choose L, literature. Then it is successfully registered. So we see it again. It is already been added there. Now go back to the tutor menu to see the function how delete subject run. So here it will show the subject, all the subject taken by the student. Then we enter the code that want to be deleted. So it will ask, are you sure want to remove? So if N, it will go back to the tutor menu. Then if we click Y, it will remove the subject. So now let us try how the fully coding run. So first we see the admin first. So enter the ID and the password. So we choose number 1, register staff. So here I choose number 1, admin registration. I want to add a new admin. So enter the first name and last name, contact number, admin ID, and enter the password. So new admin has been registered. So there we see the new admin has been added. So next we want to see the staff information. There are two options, admin and tutor. So I choose admin. So that is, and this is the tutor information. So click number 3 to modify staff. So I choose modify admin, enter the admin that want to be modified. So it will show the current detail of admin. So choose which one to be modified. We can see that the last name we have been modified has been modified. So next we go to the delete. So here I want to delete admin, where I want to delete A04. It is successfully had been deleted. Then we see the class information, then subject information, tutor in charge, then we see the payment detail, and now we try to modify the payment detail. Choose 9. So enter the payment number that we want to modify. So here I choose pick 10. I want to modify number 3, so change it to pending. So there we can see it had been changed. So we go back to admin menu. Then we also can add payment. Payment has successfully been added, new payment. Then we go back to admin menu. We can see the sales report. Choose number 11. Since the data is only till May, so we just can choose between February and until May. So here I choose April, which is 4. So it will show the total amount, average amount, and number of sales in April. Then I choose S to see all the total sales. Next we want to see how the tutor run. So enter the tutor ID and password. So here we can see we want to add student. It's successfully added, so there we can see the detail. Next, we want to modify student. Enter the student ID, then choose which one we want to modify. There we can see the new detail for the student. Next, we want to search student. Enter the student ID, so it will show the information about the student we search. Then delete student. Enter the student ID also. Then it will show the student information first and ask if we want to remove. So it's successfully removed. Next, we want to see search student enrollment, the subject taken by the student. So enter the student ID, then it will show all the detail. Then we also can see add student subject. The student ID and the subject code, the subject name also. So it's successfully registered. Enter the student ID to see it is there. The new subject had been added. We also can delete student subject. Enter the student ID. Choose the code first, then it will ask. So that's all. Thank you.